Quick question. How many files are sitting all over your laptop, phone, or even email right now? Have you ever wasted time looking for that one very document? If yes, then Google Drive is about to be your next best friend. I am FN Gideon, and in this second episode of the Google Workspace series, I'll walk you through Google Drive. Alright, so what is Google Drive? The other time we learned that we can access the Google Apps through this grid on our top right corner. So this is Google Drive. I'll click on Drive and it will open my Google Drive. So Google Drive is Google's cloud storage. You get 15 gig free storage with your Google account, and you can store documents, PDFs, pictures or images, videos, you name them. Literally any document or file type. The best part is you can access them using your phone, laptop, or tablet, so far as you are logged in into the same email account. Now let's look at how to upload a file. So to upload a file, you can just drag and drop, or you click on this very icon here, this very icon on your top left here, new. So when I click on new, then I'll come to file upload, and they are telling us there's a shortcut key. If you're using Windows, it's Alt plus C, then U. So I'll go to file upload, and it has opened my files to upload file. So I'll click on this as a demo. I'll click on open file. So as you can see, they are telling me here that uploading one item. Already my item is uploaded. So here we go. I've uploaded this image successfully and I can open it. So this is what I recently uploaded. Now I can organize this by moving it into a folder. I'll just click on these three dots at the top of the file. Then I'll come to organize. You click on move, or you can decide to add a shortcut or start the very file that you want. So here I'm going to click on move, and I'll select a folder to put it inside. Okay, so they are going to bring up the folders I have in this drive, and I'll select one that I want to keep my file inside. So I think I should just keep it in folder 1. They are opening folder 1 to see if there are other folders, files, or stuffs inside that I would like to move it into. So I want it to be in folder 1. So I'll just click on move, and my file will be moved to folder 1. So here's it. Screenshot this has been moved from my drive to folder 1. Alright, so now let's look at how to create a folder. So to create a folder, you click on this very new icon again, and you click on new folder. So you can upload a folder through this very same method, that is folder upload. Then you select from your file explorer or your desktop which folder you would want to upload. Over here I'm creating a new folder, so you click on new folder, then you name the folder your title. So demo folder. If this is your first time coming across this channel, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and share this video to a friend or a teammate that you have been collaborating with, so that your work can be easy and seamless. You both can work from the comfort of your homes or anywhere together, not just meeting particularly to work on the same project. And also, I think my folder has been created now. Here is it, demo folder. So when I open this folder, you realize the folder is empty. So they are telling me to drop files here or use the new button. You can just drag and drop a file here, or you use the new button here to do that. Alright, so now I want to move the file that I placed in folder 1 to my demo drive now. Now I want to show you how you can give your friends access, or let your friends also store their documents or files in the same folder. Let's say you're working as a team and you want your documents to be in the same folder, very organized. You can upload your files there and share the link or give access to your friends to either view, comment, or edit that folder as well. Let's look at how to go about that. So I'll come back to you. my folder. So here is folder 1. First of all, let me move the content in folder 1 to demo folder. So organize, then I click on move. So it will appear that I should select which folder I want to move into. So now here, demo folder, then I'll click on move. The file is no more here. As you can see, it is gone. So when I go back, or I go back to my drive and I open demo folder, you see my file here. So I'm going back to show you how to share this folder with your friends. So I'll go back and click on share, and you can decide to share just the link, or if you use the very first one here, which is share, they will ask you to add their emails and you can notify them with a message as well. So let me add an email that I have here. So I'll click on this email. Then you can give the person access as an editor, a viewer, or only a commenter. Now I want the person to be able to organize, add and edit files as well. So I will give the person the edit rights. So the viewer rights allows the person to only view the contents of the folder. And the commenter, the person can view and give a comment or review about what you've done. Now let me leave a message. Let me give the person a message. A demo. Sent it to one of my friends and I've given the person edit access. Your simple tutorial about going or navigating Google Drive and organizing your files. If you find this video helpful, you can share with our very teammates to make your collaboration or teamwork easier. And also remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear about you. Since when have you started using Google Drive?